Hello students, today we'll see how to interface 7-segment LED to display hex digits 0 to F in ARM7 LPC2148 processor using Keel Microvision 4 and FlashMagic software. First we'll create a folder in desktop or in any drive. So just I will create a folder as segment. Then click on Keel Microvision 4. Go to project, click on new Microvision project. So in desktop we have created a folder, so select that folder and here you have to give a project name. You can give any project name. Here I am giving 7. Save that and then select a processor LPC2148. Select that, click on OK, and here you have to create a startup.s project. So click on yes. After that go to file, click on new, and here you have to type the program. After typing the program, click on save. Here you have to save a program with an extension .c. That is very important, with an extension .c. Then click on save. After that you have to add that program. So for that go to source, right click and select add existing files. So here you have to select your file name 7 and then click on add, then close. That file is added. After this in target 1 right click and click on options for target 1. Here you have to select device as NXP LPC2148 and target. In target you have to click on use microlib, and then in output you have to click on create hex file, and then in listing you have to select C preprocessor listing, and then in linker you have to select use memory layout from target dialog. All these options you have to select. After this you have to click on OK. After this save your program and then you have to check the errors. 0 errors, 0 warning. After checking this errors, you have to minimize this. And you have to click on FlashMagic.
So here device is LPC2148 and communication port is COM1, baud rate 9600. This is the first step, and in second step you have to click on erase blocks used by hex file, and third step is important. You have to browse your file where you have saved. So that is in desktop, that is folder is segment, so file name is 7.hex. Open that, and after this you have to click on start. Before that you have to do the connection. For this, to display 0 to F in 7 segment, so you have to short jumper 2, that is first 2 you have to short, jump 1 and 2, short that. And here in switch 13, so you have to select on. So if all the buttons are on, then it will display all 4 here. So you have in switch 13 all the buttons should be on. After that click on start. Click on start. It will display 0 to F. Thank you.